Matthew May with QuickRegisterSEO.com, and today we're going to be talking about Bruce Taylor's ebook, Affiliate Marketing Power: How to Make Money Online with Other People's Products. Affiliate marketing is hugely popular, and wanted to say that just what Bruce Taylor is actually doing is creating his own ebook, promoting what he's promoting, is also a great way to promote affiliate marketing products and your own products as well. But in any case, you can get this full ebook just by clicking the link in the description below. It's free. You just join his newsletter. You can unsubscribe at any time, and you can get some really good basic affiliate marketing tips. And today we're going to be talking about one of the first things he talks about, which is choosing an affiliate program. Okay. And one of the things that I like, what he says here in the book, finding a product is the first part. You got to find a product to promote as an affiliate, is that he mentioned is that you should first consider the products that you have personally tested and enjoyed. And this is really important because if you know about it, then you can write about it, you can do videos about it, you can create content about it, and people will sense whether you believe it or not. And credibility is a huge factor when promoting affiliate products. And also, if you're using it, that's probably your audience. See, you need to develop affiliate products around your audience, your niche. You can't appeal to every single niche. So just going and getting any affiliate program and starting to try to promote it from scratch is very difficult. You need to develop your own niche. And if you're using it, that's something you know about, that's something you can write about, and you can heartily recommend. I know I personally test every single affiliate offer that I send out. And there's times I recommend stuff where there's no affiliate link just because I think it's a good product. All right. So I'm not even limited to making money directly because I'm building my audience and I want my audience to have good stuff. And that builds your credibility. And then when you have something you're going to sell, well, they're going to believe you. So maybe you don't have some products right away that you want to promote. That's okay. You can look for products to test out. And there are a number of directories that you can look at. AffiliatePrograms.com, Commission Junction, and ClickBank are very popular, and you can go on these sites and check them out and look for affiliate programs in your niche. Then test them out, see if they're good, and if they are, you could recommend them to your niche. So here's the ClickBank website, and this is a hugely popular site. They've been around forever. I've sold many, many things off of ClickBank. And what you do is you come here to Affiliate Marketplace, and they have all the categories. All right, right here. So say mine would be e-business and marketing. I could come here and I could look and I could see what the most popular programs are. I can sort by popularity, average sale, a few other criteria, and then I can choose to promote and get an affiliate link and promote this site. Now, don't just necessarily promote the most popular thing. You got to see what you like and what's going to relate to your audience and what do you think will be helpful to them. So here I click the promote link. All right. Now I'm going to put in my affiliate link. I can put a tracking ID if I want. And then I get this affiliate link, and now I can promote this product, and I can earn up to 75% commissions. Of course, first you have to sign up for ClickBank, which is free to do. So that's how easy it is to get an affiliate product to sell. Now, I would definitely check this out and see if it's something worthwhile selling. But here, you could find tons of affiliate programs to sell. Right here, they're paying 75%, up to 75% commissions on some of them, and so I'm sure there's some good things here for you to promote. Now here, Bruce talks about some of the criteria that you should look for in an affiliate program. And this is really important. And this is great when he says you will want to look for a program that is of high quality. okay, that one that is associated with experts in that particular industry. You don't want to promote something that's not good. You don't want to go for the quick buck. You want to make sure that, because you'll burn your list, you'll burn your audience. Make sure it's a great program, and then you'll get a lot of credibility with your audience. And, I don't worry about the percentage of the commissions or how much money I'm going to get. That's the number one criteria, is how good it is. How good it is. It's all going to work out. If it's a great product and just has a smaller commission, that's fine. I'm not going to promote a lousy product that has a big commission. All right. So, it's short term. So it's really important to choose something that is of high quality. And I love this too. Look for ones that offer real and viable products. Most people get caught up, not most, but a lot of people get caught up in this make money, do nothing thing. They're looking to make money online, so they find opportunities that are about making money online. I would avoid that. All right. Look for things that offer real products, real services, not just something that's promising to make money, make money, make money. It's a dead end. 99% of the people quit those. But if you have a real product, you can sell those over and over again. So avoid the make money quick schemes, which is easy to get into because you're looking to make money online. So you search for make money online, and so you find things talking about make money online. But try to find real products, real services. And does this program cater to a growing market? Do you have a market for it? Do you have an audience for it? See, as an affiliate marketer, you should be creating your own audience around your niche. That's very important. What's your niche? You can't bounce around from one niche to another. You need to be developing your list, your blog, your website, your YouTube channel, all around what your niche is. So that way you have a lot of credibility and you become an expert in your niche. So these are excellent criteria here that you want to look for. Now, you know where to find affiliate programs. First, start with products you're using and see if they have an affiliate program and see if you really like it. Then, you can go look at ClickBank and so forth, Commission Junction for other ones if you'd like, and check those out and test them first. And then, what's your criteria? Look for a program that is high quality. Look for a program that has real viable products. And does it cater to a growing target market? Is there a demand for this? Is it a hot seller? Are people buying this? Those are things to look at. And this is a great ebook. This is just part of the ebook. Now, if you want to get the whole thing, just click the link. It's all free. Just click the link in the description below, and you'll be redirected to a forum where you can download the ebook. I highly recommend it. Bruce Taylor, Affiliate Marketing Power. There are a lot of other tips in here that can really help you be an excellent affiliate marketer. These are solid tips. All right. This is really good. I wouldn't recommend this either if it wasn't. I wouldn't be going through this if they weren't really good, solid tips and good advice. So you can get this ebook for free. Click the link in the description below. Join Bruce's letter. Let him know Matt sent you if you happen to talk to him, and happy affiliate marketing.